Welcome to our channel where today we'll walk you through the fastest and simplest way to log into your OneForma account with ease. Welcome to our channel where we guide you through the process of logging into your OneForma account step by step, ensuring a smooth experience. First, open your preferred web browser and enter the OneForma website URL in the search bar. Once the page loads, locate the Login button typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. Here you will find fields requesting your username or email and password. Enter your registered email address or username exactly as you signed up. Next, carefully input your password, ensuring caps lock is off and no extra spaces are added. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to initiate a reset following the instructions sent to your email. After filling in your credentials, double-check for accuracy. Then, click the Sign In button to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you can explore the various features that OneForma offers to enhance your projects and tasks. Remember to log out after your session if you are on a shared device to maintain your account security. By following these steps, you can effortlessly access your OneForma account anytime you need to manage your work. Don't overlook the importance of keeping your login details private and updating your password regularly for optimum security. Our channel is here to simplify tech for you every day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more useful tutorials and guides.